Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2015 Toyota Sequoia Platinum. This comes in a black exterior with a brown interior. We have heated mirrors as well as blind spot assist. Come around to the back here. Got a V8 engine in this vehicle. 5.7 liters. Here's our trunk. Also got third row seats available there. Power operated. Rear seats. JBL synthesis speaker system throughout the vehicle. We have memory seats, driver door controls, driver seat controls, driver seat, steering wheel. A turnkey ignition. Mileage in this vehicle is 72,343. And we've got our navigation system here. Radio, backup camera, climate control, and center console. Now, if you'd like to see any more photos, get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.